Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I'm going to share how we're going to make a custom tablecloth with just a few of these items that you're seeing here. The first thing you want to do is you want to cover your work surface so that you don't damage the table. And we're going to get started by spreading out this lovely 100% cotton gauze fabric that has been pre-washed, and we're going to get started with this project. We're going to begin by mixing the paint colors with some fabric medium so that the fabric will be soft and pliable after the paint has been applied. I'm actually using two colors because I kind of want a high-low look. You want to flatten your paint first with a Bayer roller so that you don't pick up an excess amount when you use your decorative roller. See, when you put the roller onto the flattened paint, it just adheres to the actual decorative part of the design, which is exactly what you want. So now what we're going to do is we're going to randomly place this onto the fabric. You'll see here that I did not start on the edge. I just kind of randomly placed it right in the middle of the design, and we're just going to keep adding. The nice thing about this particular pattern is even if you overlap it in places, it doesn't really matter. It's very forgiving because since leaves are overlapping, when you see them on the tree, it's going to be fine if some of these leaves are overlapped. It'll make it look more natural and authentic. So here we've got it all finished, and now we just lay it out to dry so that all the paint can become dry. But you'll notice that I have some high-low here with some of the lighter color and some of the darker color, which was the effect I was going for. So we're going to put it on the table and see what it looks like. So come with me to the greenhouse. Here we have the tablecloth on my greenhouse table, and doesn't it look lovely? I can't wait for you to see the whole tablescape when it's finished. If you like budget-friendly decorating and DIY ideas, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, Rachel at the Ponds Farmhouse.